So as a homeowner, when you're doing improvements to your property and you want your return on investment, you have to be careful about over improving and knowing your neighborhood. So for example, I have a client who bought in an area and the top peak price for homes are probably around 1.1 to 1.2. They're going to do a major remodel and be into it for 1.5 and it may not appraise, but they made the decision to do certain things that will cost more, that are good for them personally, and they're making that decision to do that, such as solar panels. Now, that return on investment, that takes about 20 years, but they want to do that, and it's going to help their electric bill. But yeah, the return on investment is going to take longer. They also dug out their basement. They added an extra 2 feet. That's a massive project, very expensive, but it's what they wanted to do. It's their forever home. And while today, maybe they're not getting dollar for dollar, they plan on holding this home for 20 years and raising their family. So in the end, in 20 years from now, they most likely will not lose any money. But of course, if they had to sell it for any reason in the next couple years, they might be slightly upside down with their improvements versus return on investment. So know your neighborhood. If you're buying in an area where homes sell for $300,000 to $400,000, you're not going to put a $100,000 kitchen, in that home. You're going to do a more reasonable kitchen, follow budgets, follows the trends of your neighborhoods for homes that are for sale. Look in your neighborhood. If you see homes that are being built, see what kind of kitchen they did, because you want to kind of follow the trend and not go too high so that you get the proper return on investment. So just be careful on over improving your property when you do any rehab or construction work. Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.